hands in the audience.
Hello,
I think we got
everybody.
someone trying to win the fashion show.
Today is
Look, she
Udoka,
couldn't do that in the
Ankara
classroom,
Night.
but now she's free.
So it's
Now
going to
that
be a
she's
day I
retired,
never
she's
to
free.
it right here. So
Performance
everybody seems to
certificate
be having
with
a
a
lot of
stylish
fun.
peplum
And I'm
off the
going
shoulder
to
top,
kind of show
featuring
you
a red
around
satin trim
some
to
of
highlight her matching jewelry.
the
Let 'em see it,
activities
let
of
'em
the
see
day
it, let
going
'em see
on.
it.
Last I'm showing
This
you like
couture design
I'm
was
going to turn
created by
around
Chief
the
Architecture,
camera.
hailing from Lagos, Nigeria. Let's clap it up for Lady.
So this is
So the question is your shawl going back with you tonight or is it staying here? It's going back with me, definitely. She needs a return on her property. Thank you for catching it. Let's get this back to Lady B. Let's clap it up for Lady B. As she takes her spot, we are going to welcome in our next model. Coming to the red carpet
so let
is
see.
Love. All these let's clap it up for her. Yay! As
Let
she
me
comes
show you
forth,
about the camera.
yay! This is going to be worth the wait. Worth the wait. And to go, yay! Worth the wait. Hey, shoulders. The shoulders have arrived. Hey. Let us tell you what she's wearing. Lola. Audrey Udoka is wearing a stunning, bespoke Ankara ensemble that's bold and versatile. She also has quite a vocabulary. Let me read that again. Her ensemble is bespoke Ankara that's bold and versatile. The outfit, crafted from premium Fortuna brand 100% cotton Ankara, features high quality black accents on the sleeve. Show them the sleeves, show them the sleeves. And crystal embellishments all throughout. That's right, head to toe, she's blinged out. Somebody say blinged out. The designer is Oma Theory. The brand is daily, up-to-date fashion. I think that sounds like your closet. The brand and the designer are your closet. Excited! Now, Nancy, we know you're blinged out. We have a question for you, our models. We have our question for you. So you're blinged out from head to toe. In your outfit, from head to toe, lady, even her toes are sparkling. Are those sequins on your fingernails? This nail polish is sequins. So in your outfit were a Facebook post, what would the caption be? This is a fashion, begging, today, tomorrow, every day. Fashion. Listen, let's clap it up for bling bling, designer. Everything in my closet sparkles, even my toenails. Let's clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Are you ready for our next model? Coming to the stage is Lola Chinyere Anugo. Let's welcome her onto the red carpet. Hey! Check her out. Let's see that pose. Boom. Boom. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, oh. Hey. Laura Chinyere Anugo is showcasing a modern corset. Show the waist, show the waist, show the waist. A modern corset. Long gown with knee flare. The knees are flaring. This long gown has a full flare made with 100% cotton fabric and a black velvet combination. Did somebody say, what is that, velvet? It is velvet indeed, and she is designed by Kumi Design. Let's clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Now answer your question. Your question is, you're wearing a black velvet corset. We just had a buffet. Is this naturally you, or is the corset doing its job? Is the corset doing the job? Yes, let's clap it up for the corset putting in work tonight. Well done, well done, well done. Please join us. She is naturally you. Mother of seven. After seven, the corset. And that's the answer. Well done, well done, well done. Coming to the stage. Next up, our model is Lola. Ijoma. Nelem Shuku. Sorry, I need help with this one. Nelem Shuku. Someone help me. Nelem Shuku. People actually come on in on the red carpet. Shredding her stuff. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah. Somebody's been practicing. You were practicing. Well done. You came ready to showcase. You're showcasing a modern boko.
Hey.
Does anyone know boko? Okay, two people know boko. Let me tell you what it is. Boko two pieces by Tonto Dike. The fabric.
Why?
This is a big deal. This is a very big deal. The fabric is high target, embellished with crystal stones. The designer is Bibi Christopher, a dressmaker hailing all the way from Abuja, Nigeria. Can we clap it up? Can we clap it up? In one word, how does this outfit make you feel? That's why she was strutting like that. That's why she didn't need help on this red carpet. Well done. We're keeping it going. Our next model is Kyra. Lulu, come into the dance floor. Well done. In an outfit like this, she can't be running to the dance floor. She's got her track. You have tennis shoes on. You just sprinted here. So Kyra is showcasing a modern floral gown called Ifuru. Okay, her voice is gone because she's been talking to the tailor all night about the design she's wearing, which is beautiful. She's wearing a one-shoulder flower. Let them see the flower. And a side train displaying her Ankara with a long skirt. Her outfit is embellished with lace. When you see her, come close so you can see it.
Hey.
It's the details that matter. She's embellished with lace and designed by Ijoma all the way from Lagos, Nigeria. Let's clap it up for Kyra. Kyra, now wait a minute. I know you don't have much of a voice, but very quickly. When people see you in this outfit, what do you want them to think? I'm like, oh, God is good.
Hey.
My God is so good. Well done, well done. Coming to the red carpet next is Lola Nonye Okorie. Can we clap it up for our Madam Vice President?
Okay, Madam D.
Well done. Let's tell you what she's wearing. This is Madam Vice President of Udoka, and she is showcasing a modern royal queen outfit made with an Ankara skirt and a flared blouse. It's combined with blue satin fabric. She's mixing the fabrics, giving something to pop out so you can see it. A stunning fusion. Ooh, we have a blend of African queen fashion. This style blends the vibrant, bold patterns of Ankara, typically characterized by colorful geometric designs. There's that word again, geometric designs, with the luxurious, smooth texture and the subtle sheen of Korean Duchess blue satin. Wow. Wow. Known for its elegance and classy appeal, she's designed by Style by Mendes. Abuja, Nigeria. Let's clap it up for her.